CATIA V5 Human Builder, we're gonna take a look at inverse kinematic behaviors. So to get started, I will create 3 mannequins. So I'll select the main product over here and I will add those 3 mannequins. Now I will snap the compass to the second and third and I will move them to the right side. So that will be the second, this will be the third. Now, by default, we're going to take a look at the inverse kinematics, which will be this one. So inverse kinematics worker framer mode. If I will select the hand of the mannequin, if I will move it, we're going to see that it will go forward until it will become over here. So this will be out of reach. The hand will be in yellow. But we see that the mannequin is not moving his body, so the torso and the spine. This is the default state of inverse kinematic behavior. It will be the same, for example, for the legs. Now, let's check the inverse kinematic behavior. And for the second mannequin, I will enable underneath the spine the thoracic option over here. Now, if I will select the hand and I will move it forward, we're going to see that also the mannequin will slightly move over here. If I will move this all the way to the back, again, we're going to see how the mannequin will now twist around the thoracic area over here. If I will select the leg, we're going to see that for the leg, there won't be any twists. And we also have the following option, so inverse kinematic behaviors for the third one. I will enable the lumbar spine over here. And again, if I will select the hand and I will move it to the front, we're gonna see how this will incline over here. If I will take this all the way to the back, the same for the second hand, we're gonna see how the mannequin will also incline the body either to the front or to the back, so depending on the direction. Now, if I will move the position of the feet, we're gonna see that slight changes will occur within the body position of the mannequin. If you want to reset the position, you can always go back over here. So posturator, select it, and we have the possibility to reset the degree of freedom over here. But if you want to reset everything, let's see. I will select this and I will go into stand, or we can go to the initial pose. So the reset degree of freedom will only work for the selected element. In this case, I had a thoracic segment over here selected. If I will take a look over here and I will enable also the thoracic and the lumbar spine, and I will go again with the inverse kinematic, we're gonna see that it will also incline over here. But if I will go a little bit to the side, just like we saw previously, this will also turn around the thoracic area. Okay, now let's take a look at something different. So I will position the hand like this, the other hand again like this. So if they will be all the way out, the mannequin will go into a lock phase like this. And I have the possibility to select the mannequin body, and we're gonna see how it will react to those positions. So just like within a bungee jumping posture over here, we're gonna see the mannequin going back and forth. If I will zoom all the way to the back, I can stretch this even longer. So just like a sling. So this is how you can change the inverse kinematic behaviors within CATIA V5. Within a following video, we're gonna discuss the pelvis section over here and also the balance with the pelvic motion. So I hope that you find this video useful. I will position a similar video over here to the left, I will add the CATIA V5 tips and tricks to the top, and I will add a subscribe button over here on the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.